Hi guys, welcome back to the video. Got the, I don't know how you pronounce it, Zulu. People waving. Got the Robin Hood bar there as well. Yet another supermarket. Starbucks, up into the town centre, little shop there, pizza place, kebabs, and a sushi buffet. Got the Bristol Hotel there in the distance. Pet shop. Power to be inside at the moment, so not open. What we call Chicken Bridge. So do amazing chicken there apparently. Where the fellas will be soon. People enjoying the sun. Lovely Bristol Hotel. And of course the town hall. Getting itself ready for the fellas. Hit the like guys, hit the subscribe, hit the share button, and I will see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.